What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on, John? How you feeling, man? How you feeling? So there's a couple setups we're looking at. We're looking at a possible GU buy, looking at a possible GN buy, as well as a possible GJ buy. With the GU, we're going to wait to see how it reacts to 2,800. If we can hold that level as support, we could look for possible buys going to 28.30 and then possibly even 28.50, 28.60. And then with GN, we got the resistance level here at around 28.85. 785. So we can hold 785 as support. We can look for buys going to 850 and possibly even 900, 915. So that's what we're watching right now. London session did just start. As far as news today, we have nothing going on during London session, but we do have news at 8:30 beginning of New York. We got USD news, but that's pretty much it. So yeah, we're just chilling, patiently waiting. Not going to go live today with the members. Going to go live tomorrow during the news event. But yeah, we're just chilling right now, waiting for volume to kick in. You guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. We're going to get any charts. Drop in the chat. But we're just chilling, patiently waiting. Just dropped the video yesterday. If you haven't checked it out yet, make sure to check it out. Those just joined the stream, make sure to hit that first link in the description. Go on free signal, free telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. We're going to pull that up in a little bit, but yeah, right now we're just waiting for volume. You can see price is kind of just dead right now. Nothing we can really do about that, so we're just waiting for volume to kick in. Got a new 5 and 15 about to pop up in a little bit. We're going to see what that looks like. All right, new 15 just popped up. So yeah, I'm looking at GN's looking right here. Let's see what these other charts. GJ just pushed up as well. Yeah, I'm liking how this is looking right here. Those just joining the stream, we have not entered this yet. This is just a trade idea. We are not into this yet. Yeah, I'm liking how GJ and GN are looking. Got a new 5-minute about to pop up in a little bit. So yeah, there's a few other charts I'm looking at, but I'm liking GJ and GN right now. The most of the closest two possible entries. GU's got a little bit of work to do as well, so I'm still keeping an eye on those. But yeah, we're going to see what this next 5 and 15 look like. If you hit that first link in the description, you're going to see how we're doing so far this week. So far this week, we're 2-1. Took a loss yesterday. Went 1-0 on Tuesday and Monday. This is how we did Tuesday. Took a GJ sell, all TP5 got hit, got 42 pips. And then on Monday, we took another GJ sell, all TPs got hit, got 69 pips. So that's how we're doing so far this week, right? And at the beginning of every week, we drop the Sunday chart analysis. So this doesn't just say or go over what we see price doing Sunday night going into Monday, but it goes over what we see price doing the entire week. So yeah, I would say, but still watch that just so you can see how price was looking at the beginning of the week versus how it's looking now and our projections and all that good stuff. But how we did last week, we went 4-0 last week, and that was just trading 3 trading days. Caught 241 pips. Traded Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and then taking any trades Thursday or Friday. And then as far as how we did last month, like you see on your screen, we went 17-1 last month, giving us a 94% win rate. Caught a total of 24,403 pips, 24,305 strictly with the members in the advanced play signal room. And then we'll finish scrolling through all this stuff in a second. And it looks like we're about to see some action a little bit. GJ just broke the top out of the bottom of the zone, top of the zone, and then GN's breaking above it as well. So again, if we can hold these levels as support, we can look for possible buy setup on these two positions right here. Again, GN has been super range and choppy the past couple weeks, but we are back in the bullish momentum. We had this reversal take place where we was catching sales, but then we see price shot all the way up, broke back above this resistance, all trading as support. So we're kind of right where we left off when we pushed out the year. And this is where it was at when we made the last higher high. So our price continue to hold this level of support, which has been doing for the past week. All we need to break these next couple levels for the uptrend to continue and then come back into play. So that's what we're watching and wait to see what price can do right now. But it looks like it is doing right now. New farming just popped up. So yeah, I'm working out GJ and GN are looking. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. We're looking at each chart. Drop them in the chat. What's going on, Zero G? Updated the playlist over the weekend as well, so make sure to check out the playlist on the channel. Y'all know how YouTube works. Yeah, we got a few minutes to this next 15 pops up. Yeah, so we're watching GM, we're watching GA. I mean, not GA, we're watching GN, GJ, and GE right now. New 15 just popped up, so we're about to see what this looks like. You don't want to see it for GJ. If it can hold 189.35, 189.40 as support, we could look for buys going to 190 and possibly 190.50, 190.60. And then GN could hold this as a level of support at around 780, 785. We can look for buys going to 845 and possibly even 910, 915. That's what we're looking at right here. Again, as far as news, we do got news later on today during the beginning of New York session at 8:30. We got USD news, we got core PPI, unemployment claims, all that stuff popping off. Yeah, I'm liking how these are looking right here, though. Again, what's going for sales? If it breaks above this low, we could see a reversal back to the upside. But I wouldn't really say we're back in bullish momentum unless we break and start holding 190 as support, especially we break and hold 190.60 back as support. Now, if it rejects this level, pushes back below 188.70, we can look for sales again, which was that's what as far as you know, this moment. And then G, we got bullish momentum as well. We broke through that level of traffic, did a retest, still holding that level of support. Right back at this support resistance level right here. So we can break this resistance trade back at support. We can see buys come back into play. So that's what we're watching right now. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. Y'all, you see it scrolling at the bottom of y'all screen. Instagram's playmaker_away. Y'all can also DM me on there if you have any questions. I respond to all messages. Those just joined the stream, we haven't entered anything yet. That might change in a little bit. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free Signal, free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. We just went over how we're doing so far this week and how we did last month. We're going to go over how we're doing so far this quarter and how we did last quarter in a second. We got a new 5-minute about to pop up in a little bit. Yeah, but all these charts are pretty much, as far as the currency pairs we're looking at, they're looking very similar right now. They're chilling right on this level. We're watching to wait and see if they can switch these levels from being treated as resistance to support. Because again, we want to enter buys off support, we want to enter sells off resistance. So while we're chilling, like we just went over how we did last month, if you scroll to, I believe, like February, what is it, February 3rd, you'll see how we did January. This is how we did January, 120 January, giving us a 100% win rate, caught 37,620 pips. And then if you scroll to January 4th, you're going to see how we did Q4 last year. So this is how we ended Q4 last year. October went 32.5, caught 157,608 pips. November won 22.1, caught 58,068. This September won 22.1 again, caught 24,481 pips. In the quarter 70.67, give us a 96% win rate, catching a total of 240,157 pips, 207,561, strictly with the members in advanced play signal room. You click right here, it's going to take you to the beginning of the quarter. Every trade posted as the date, the time the trade was entered, personal entry, SL, TPs, how people viewed it into the trade, reactions, TPs getting hit. All wins and losses are posted. We do the recap of the day at the end of every day. We do the recap of the week at the end of every week. We do the recap of the month at the end of every month. And like I said, at the beginning of every week, we do the Sunday chart analysis. So make sure to explore the channel, check all the stuff out. Again, all the trades taken in both the free channel as well as with the members in the advanced play signal room. Literally, we break them down every day during the London session live stream, if not taking them as well during the London session live. But we also go over them in the Sunday chart analysis. So make sure to be paying attention to the live streams and the Sunday chart analysis. If you're missing out on any setups. You got any questions, drop in the chat. We'll be getting charts up in the chat. We're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. Right, Monday and Tuesday, we saw some action. Things are kind of slowed down today and yesterday. It's just part of the game. That's why we do these live streams, so you can see the realistic side of trading. Because you don't just open up your computer and just enter trades. That's just not how it works. Sometimes, but most of the time, that's not how it works. Now we got Gina rejecting that level. GJ doing the same thing. G looks like it's still trying. Got a new 5 and 15 about to pop up a little bit as well. Again, that's why we wait for those confirmations. Price can easily, very much so, push back up. So reject this low, so that's why we always just wait for retests and confirmations. We never just enter trades just because price touched the level or broke it. Because just because price touched or broke a level doesn't mean it can hold it, right? Because we saw price break this level plenty of times, but it failed to hold that support. Which is why you always want to wait for price to show you what it's trying to do. Price is always going to give you hints and show you what it's trying to do before it does that big move we're looking for. All right, let's see what we're working with. New 15 just popped up. Looks like they're about to try to reattempt to push back up. All right, we're literally seeing real time GJ trends low as resistance, but trying to push back up and treat it as support. Again, we're just watching and letting price do its thing till our confirmations on that, and we see the green light. Okay, so G just pushed up. Speaking of green light. Yeah, I like how this looks right here. What's going on, J-Rod? What's going on? Again, we've been live since 3 a.m. This was the 3 a.m. candlestick right here. So as you can see, since we've been live for like the past hour, price has literally just been in the same spot. We haven't really missed anything. Price hasn't really moved. Again, nothing really has changed too much. GU is the only one that's really kind of moved or made any effort or anything. Make sure I like the live while y'all in here. Hold up. What do we got here? I got to move my damn alert up. You see a buy setup here, but it just took off too. We got US30. We can hold 39 at 120 as support. It can push up to as high as 39 290, 39 300. It's going to break past 39 220 first. These charts are just chilling right now. Like I said, we got news later on today. I'm going to be going live today during the news. Going to be going live tomorrow with the members, that is. Yeah, looks like G might try to do something for us. Got a new 5-minute about to pop up in a little bit. I don't know what chart you're talking about, but no. If I was in a trade, it'd be on top of the candlesticks like this. The reason why I have them far away from the candlesticks is because I'm not in any of these trades. These are just the trade ideas. Right? If I was in a trade, I'd be on top of the candlesticks. But I have them to the right. These are my trade ideas. Yeah, we can see price look like it's really trying to break this level, hold that support. G is showing a little bit more progress than GN and GJ. But we got a new 15 new hour about to pop up, so let's see what this next hour looks like. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. We'll get any charts, drop them in the chat. But we're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. Shout out to everybody in the live. Shout out to everybody that's been here since the beginning. Shout out to everybody that's been here since y'all joined. I know it's been a little bit slower than Monday and Tuesday was, but like I said, that's just the reality of trading. It's not going to be action packed every single day. It's not going to be the exact same every single minute and hour, every single day. That's just how trading is. We're still going to be on the charts though to see if we can find some setups. Like I said, these charts are real close to being potential entry setups. Just waiting to see if they can hold these levels as support. Again, they're still above this level holding as support, so we're not going to pull the trigger yet. Same thing here, broke above but failed to hold that support, so I'm not going to pull the trigger yet. GU, on the other hand, looks like it's going to try to do that move we're looking for. Yeah, GU looks like it's going to try to do that move we're looking for. Looks like these are as well. Yeah, so a new hour just started. Let's see what this hour looks like. Appreciate that, J-Rod. This is not in this trade. Luke, I'm guessing you just joined. All right, so again, if I was in a trade, just like how this was a trade idea, I didn't enter this trade because my confirmations weren't met. What's the confirmations? Again, if you listen to what I'm saying during the live stream, I'm saying if it can hold this level, if it can hold this level, right? So again, if I want to look for a buy, I have to wait for price to see if it's going to hold that level as support. So here, that at this time, price broke this level multiple times, but failed to hold it as a support. So did I go for this buy setup? No, right? If I was in a trade, you'll see my longer short position on top of the candlestick, right? The reason why it's next to it is because again, this is the trade idea I'm looking for, but I'm waiting for my confirmations before I pull the trigger. So all these charts I have up, I'm not in all these trades because again, my sell idea here, price is up here, and it's all the way right here. So I didn't take any of these sells, right? So that's why you keep on hearing me say these are trade ideas. But if you just joined, that's different. And I haven't seen your name before, so I'm assuming this is your first time at the live. So what I would suggest is hit the first link in the description, join the free Signal, free Telegram, explore the free Telegram, explore the YouTube channel, rewind this live, watch the beginning of the live, watch the other lives from this week. Monday was a good live to look at. Tuesday was a good one as well. So you can kind of see how it goes as far as these live streams. The reason why I said Monday and Tuesday, because Monday and Tuesday is what a lot of y'all want to see, which is us taking trades while we're live. But again, we're not going to take trades every time we're live unless, confirmations are met. Because again, I'm not going to just force setups. But make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, y'all. Y'all see it scrolling at the bottom of y'all screen. Instagram is playmaker_way. TikTok is _playmakerway_. Follow me on Instagram for sure though, because I don't know if y'all know what's going on with the US, but they do a bunch of stuff right now in the US. And I believe they're going to be banning TikTok today. I don't know if that's actually going to go down, but I know they're trying to pass that bill. Let me see if I can even open it. Well, I'm on TikTok right now, so I don't know if they're actually going to ban this stuff or not, or the process. But follow me on Instagram. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Again, we don't just live stream on here, but we also post weekly content from trade breakdowns, trading tip videos, trading plan videos, trading psychology videos. Y'all see the playlist. Check out the playlist. Where I have a playlist going over strictly back to back trade breakdowns. I got another playlist going over back to back trading tip videos. So in that trading tip playlist, that's going to be videos going over my trading plan, trading psychology, and how to read the charts. And I got a playlist with all my videos going over how to trade news as well as trade breakdowns from news days, which is going to be coming in handy since we do have news, every single week, but we have news specifically today and tomorrow. So make sure to check those out as well. Members, in a few hours, you already know I'm going to drop that New York price watch list for y'all. Let me catch us to the chat, make sure I'm not missing anything. All right, cool. So yeah, we're gonna be back at the same time. So again, the whole time we was live, we was waiting for price to not just break this level, but hold that support. So now we see price potentially about to hold this level as support and do the move we was looking for, right? So again, price broke this level, did a retest. Now it's potentially about to hold this level as support. Same thing with GN and the same thing with GU, right? So now GU is pushing nicely. So now you see that I have my long position on top of these candlesticks, so I'm in this position currently. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we'll be back at it live tomorrow, same time, London session 3 a.m. EST.